Nirmala High School, Garla.
Nirmala High School, Garla.
Nirmala High School completes 25 years of its existence. On this occasion of its silver jubilee, we present before you a silvery report of its accomplishment from its inception.
Mother Mary, the heavenly patroness and guiding star of our school. The school run by the missionary sisters of Mary Immaculate. This religious congregation was founded in 1962 by Monsignor C.J. Varki.
The request and demand for starting a school for the benefit of the children of the area continued, and the need for an English medium school was strongly expressed by the then Bishop Marampudi Joji. MSMI sisters were invited by Father Matthew Mundamatram, MSFS. Sisters were guided and supported by Father Chinnapareddy, MSFS, in their initial stages at Garla.
Nirmala High School, Garla had its humble origin with the strength of 6 students. Today, it has grown into a gigantic edifice with nearly 900 students.
The initial stage of the school, as the school building was not yet ready, classes were conducted in the convent building. The school continued to attract a large number of students, and therefore the classes were shifted to the new school building. As years passed, the infrastructure also developed and completed in the year 2010.
Nirmala High School at a glance. It is a minority institution of the Catholic Christian community. It was established and managed by Missionary Sisters of Mary Immaculate and has been affiliated to the State Board Telangana.
The school has the teaching and learning facilities are updated and well equipped with modern technologies such as smart class, well furnished computer lab, science lab, library, school bus, hostel, mineral water facility, etc.
Staff enrichment program. Teachers are also learners. Our teachers constantly strive to stay updated by attending workshops and various training programs such as orientation programs, seminars, workshop, CCA training program, subject-wise training programs, picnic, etc.
Vision and mission. Nirmala High School is to give its pupils an all-round development of the personality by fostering discipline, punctuality, and dynamism in each of the students. It has a vision and mission to uphold spiritual and moral values, to be an agent of peace and prosperity.
Academic excellence. Apart from the inculcation of the textual knowledge of intellectual curiosity, systematic and disciplined lifestyle, personal quest for knowledge, critic and creative thinking, aptitude for research, attainment of set goals are being implemented.
Examination and evaluation. School follows the latest method of evaluation and assessment to reduce the stress of learning. Regular internal examinations are conducted and the progress of the students intimated to their parents. Board examinations, right from the first batch, our results have been excellent, securing first, second and third ranks at Mandal level consecutively. Top scorers of the years.
2004-5 A. Laukia, 2005-6 P. Praveen, 2006-7 D. Vamshi, 2007-8 K. Sahidi, 2008-9 K. Ramanath, 2009-10 H. Shivateja, 2010-11 G. Angiche and G. Riyaji, 2011-12 K. Ajay, 2012-13 G. Sandhya 2013-14 V. Rohit, 2014-15 Prakash, 2015-16 L. Bharat Chandra and B. Pavan Kalyan, 2016-17 G. Ravinder and M. Siddhartha. 2017-18 D. Nandini.
The Literary Association organizes essay writing, quiz competitions, debates, seminars, elocutions, exhibitions, etc.
For healthy and perfect body and mind, we foster team spirit and self-discipline. Music and dance, band set, drawing and painting, karate, sports and games, fancy-dress competitions, funfair, and other activities.
Celebrations and festivals. To understand the meaning and importance of the festivals of our country, we celebrate Christmas, Independence Day, Bathukamma, Deepavali, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Republic Day, etc.
Spiritual formation and counseling. Special interest is taken to diagnose the academic backwardness of children in different areas. We have made arrangements for giving counseling for students along with their parents if needed, helping them with the proper counseling and remedial education every year. 1 hour adoration is conducted by the principal for the 10th class students to prepare them for their board exam.
Healthcare. Students are exposed to the annual medical checkups, seminars on the prevention of diseases, and other such related topics. Medical camps like typhoid and rubella vaccinations also are conducted in the school.
Creative leadership. Students are given opportunities to become great and inspiring leaders with courage and inner strength to take up responsibilities. The school assembly focus on development of many values such as self-confidence, creativity, overcome stage fear, etc.
Value education. The school inculcates in students human qualities, noble ideas of truth, honesty, sacrifice, patriotism, respect for elders, reverence for teachers, etc.
Social awareness and sensitivity. Students are trained to imbibe the values of respect for every human person with a deep compassion for the poor and the downtrodden by installing them an awareness of the evil existing in society. During Christmas celebration, house in charge teachers and leaders distribute the dress and food to the poor. Students also help the poor and needy under guidance of their class teachers.
Care for the nature. Students are helped to grow in harmony with the nature, to care for the Mother Earth and for the sustainable use of resources.
PTA meetings are arranged periodically. We cherish parents' cooperation and their constructive suggestions in our endeavor of imparting quality education.
This is possible because of you, dear well-wishers and friends, as you cooperate with us and render your help through various ways. Great melodies from our humble heart spread in the air to our dear correspondents who have been the pillars and support of the school.
Sister Elsina, Sister Kochadresia Kovat, Sister Tessie Mulakat, Sister Bina Sebastian, Sister Dali Jose, Sister Delphi Jose, Sister Delsina, Sister Mary Varghese, Sister Gisa Matthew, and Sister Mary James, the present correspondent of the school.
The principals who have laid the foundation and built up the school.
Sister Kochadresia Kovat, Sister Mary James, Sister Alice Jose, Sister Valsala Jose, Sister Therese, Sister Lilies, Sister Litty, Sister Jace George, Sister Rancy Nindur, Sister Regia Sebastian, and Sister Delphi Jose, present principal of the school.
To our committed staff for your immense contribution.
To our dear sisters for your dedicated services and companionship.
To our well-wishers for being our hope and strength.
To our beloved parents for your trust and confidence.
Above all, our sincere gratitude to God Almighty for initiating in us the potential to be resilient in times of adversity.
Flames come to the